Did you know that consuming just 1 can of soda a day can age your brain by up to 11 years? Shocking, right? Stick around because we're going to break down exactly how sugar is impacting your brain's health in ways you never imagined. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips. 1. The sugar rush. First up, let's talk about that infamous sugar rush. You know the one. You eat a donut, and suddenly you feel like you can conquer the world. What's happening here? When you consume sugar, your brain releases a huge amount of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. It's like a mini party in your brain, but here's the catch. This high doesn't last long. Research from a 2023 study by the University of Southern California shows that this surge can actually lead to a crash later on, leaving you feeling tired and irritable. It's a roller coaster of emotions that can make it hard to concentrate or stay productive. So, while that sugar rush feels great, it's not doing your brain any long-term favors. 2. Memory and learning. Next, let's move on to something a bit more serious. How sugar affects your memory and learning. High sugar intake has been linked to impaired cognitive function. A study published in 2023 by researchers at the University of California, San Francisco, found that diets high in sugar can lead to inflammation in the brain, particularly in the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory formation. This means that indulging in too many sweets could make it harder for you to remember things or learn new skills. It's like your brain gets foggy, and who wants that, right? Especially if you're trying to ace that next exam or nail a presentation at work. 3. The addiction factor. Now, let's talk about addiction. Yes, you heard that right. Sugar can be addictive. Just like drugs, sugar stimulates the release of dopamine, and over time, your brain starts to crave that feeling more and more. This can lead to a cycle of binge eating and withdrawal symptoms when you don't get your fix. A 2023 review from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology highlighted that the addictive properties of sugar are real and can be similar to those of substances like nicotine or even cocaine. This is why cutting back on sugar can be so tough. Your brain literally thinks it needs it to feel good. Okay, so now that we know how sugar can mess with our brains, let's talk about what we can do to mitigate these effects. Here are some practical tips to help you manage your sugar intake. Read labels. Always check food labels for hidden sugars. They're sneaky and can be in everything from bread to salad dressing. Healthy alternatives. Swap out sugary snacks for fruits, nuts, or yogurt. These options provide essential nutrients without the sugar crash. Stay hydrated. Sometimes we crave sugar when we're actually just thirsty. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Gradual reduction. If you're used to a lot of sugar, try cutting back gradually. Start by reducing the amount of sugar in your coffee or tea. Mindful eating. Be mindful of your eating habits. Are you eating because you're hungry or because you're bored or stressed? Conclusion. All right, folks, that's the sweet truth about how sugar affects your brain. It's clear that while sugar can give us a quick boost, the long-term effects aren't so sweet. By making a few simple changes, you can protect your brain and improve your overall health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what strategies you use to cut back on sugar. And remember to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.